Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohammad Shazib. Today I'm at the office of BT Properties, which is known as Barrier Town, and it's a very big name in Pakistan. They have delivered many communities in Pakistan, and those are actually not communities, you can say those are cities in Pakistan. It's a big name, and it's all by it's all by Malik Riaz Saab. He came over Dubai. He launched his own project, first project in Dubai, and he started with this massive master community. And the size of this community is 14 million square feet. It's located on Emirates Road, and it's on it has distance of like 6 to 7 minutes from world's upcoming biggest airport, and which will be Al Maktoum Airport. And this community consists of high-rise, mid-rise, five-star hotel apartments, amenities, a replica of Eiffel Tower, and replica of Blue Mosque. And it is also coming in the news like this will be the biggest mosque of Dubai. So it comes up with townhouses, villas, and you can see mansions right behind the Eiffel Tower as well. So it will be having sports activities club, and there will be mosque over there. You can see the mosque. It's mosque over there. There is school, hospitals, and community centers also there. So you can see there is a hospital over here, and there are some shopping malls there will be there. And let me tell you about the prices and all that. So first of all, if I talk about these buildings, these are like the where I'm pointing right now. These are Altura buildings. These are ground plus 27, and they have one bedroom apartments. And here you can get in just starting from 900,000. Then these ground plus 16-story buildings. These are 16 buildings. They have like green area between them. They have water bodies inside. So these are consisting one bedroom, two bedroom, and three bedroom apartments. So the one bedroom is starting over here. There is around 950, and two bedroom is around 1.3 million. So like these are the prices right now. And then if we come to the townhouses, so if we talk about the three bedroom townhouse is starting from 2.6, 2.7. It depends on the availability, and four bedroom is like around 3.2, 3.5. So again, like there are so many things in this specific community. It's the community with all the amenities inside, all the facilities inside. You don't have to like go out from the vicinity or like this community if you have to buy something, or if you have to if you want to avail any kind of facility. So meanwhile